So welcome back standard 10. We were solving some of the word problems. First of all the solve sums and then the exercise questions. On page number 25, example 5, there is one very important question. A three digit number means that it has three digits, unit, say here I will take hundreds, tens and unit place digits. Suppose this hundred place is x and unit place is y and the tenth place digit is suppose z. Whatever it is, x, y, z, I am assuming for the time being. A three digit number is equal to 17 times. Now how to form the three digit number? This will be 100x, this will be 10z and this will be y. This is the number. Is 17 times the sum of the digits. Sum of the digits, these are the digits and these are the place values. So 17 times x plus y plus z. This we are trying to understand what we know. If the digits are reverse, digits reverse means this will come here. This is original number. This way, and now the digits reverse means what? 100, tens and unit. This will come here, y, this will go there, x, and z will be as it is. Just write like this. Okay. Then what happens? If the digits are reversed, the new number is 198 more. Means this new number will be 100y plus 10z plus x. This is more. By how much it is more? 198 more than the old number. Means I will subtract from this the old number. What is that old number? 100x plus 10z plus y, and this difference is 198. Always greater than, smaller than, this should be seen as the difference. Then every sum will become very easy. Okay. Up to this we have done what we have understood. Also the sum of the extreme digits. These are the extreme digits. And this is the middle digit. Also the sum of the extreme digits is less. Means this sum is less than the middle digit. Who is the middle digit? Z. This sum is less than z. Means z minus x plus y by unity. Unity means 1. Less than, greater than, who is less, subtract it from the bigger and that difference is 1. Therefore, this I will bring there, z is equal to, I will get, this will become x plus y plus 1. Now, all these values will change. Z means what? X plus y plus z. Plus, z means tens place digit, x plus y plus 1. And at the all z places it is x plus y plus 1. It is a short example from where they have written directly in the table, this middle term is x plus y plus 1. That I wanted to explain you. Hope that you have understood this, and then this question has become very easy then. Now I will solve it. Let unit place digit is equal to, say, x, tens place digit, hundred place digit, we will take hundreds place digit is equal to y. This is the original condition. Therefore, tens place digit means the middle digits. Tens place digit is equal to, from the last statement I will come to know also, sum of the extreme digits. Which are the extreme digits? These two are the extreme digits. Is less than the middle digit by 1. That means the tens place digit, the middle digits, that is nothing but the middle digit, is equal to x plus y plus 1. From where you have understood it? Suppose this middle term digit and a tens place digit is z, then z minus the sum of the extreme digits means the right and totally left, that was difference was 1, and therefore z is equal to, this has come to be plus y plus 1. This way I have written that. Okay. Thus we will summarize this. Thus h, tens and unit place. 100 place digit is y. 10 place digit x plus y plus 1. Unit place digit x. Okay. Original number equal to, therefore the original number is equal to 100y plus 10 into x plus y plus 1 and plus x, that is equal to this 100y plus this 10y, 110y plus this is 10x plus this 1x, 11x, and plus 10 1 that 10. This is our original number. If the digits are reversed, new number is 198 more. Now, if the digits are reversed, if the digits are reversed, here this is 10 plus 100 plus and that all here we have written. Then once again 100 plus unit, tens place and the unit place. They are reverse. Means this will come here x, this will go there y, and the middle will be as it is, x plus y plus 1. The number form is, the new number is, before that there is one some condition that we are that also we have to find from the first condition. First equation we will do and then we will come to this. From first condition, three-digit number is equal to 17 times the sum of the digits. This is the three-digit number. This is equal to 17 times the sum of these three digits. This plus this plus this and 17 times. Therefore, 110y plus 11x plus 10 is equal to 17 times the sum of the digits y plus x plus y plus 1 and plus x. Therefore, 110y plus 11x plus 10 is equal to, this is y plus y is 2y, 17 to the 34y, x plus x is 2x, 17 into 2 means 34x, plus 17 1 the 17. Therefore, now we will bring all the terms together. here, and the numbers will go there. This 110y minus 34y plus 11x minus 34x is equal to 17 minus 10. Hope that you understand this. Therefore, 110 minus 34, 110 minus 34. This is 6, 1. 11 minus 4 will be 7. 1, 0, 76. Therefore, 76y. Now this also we will do. 34 minus 11, 4 minus 3, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. X. And this is equal to 7. So this way, one equation we have got. 76x minus 23y is equal to 7. That is up to us, which we have to take first. Okay. This is number 1. If we have taken this variable here, this variable here, then here it will be 76x. Now I have taken y here and x here, it is different. In the textbook it is x here. Okay. From second condition. From now the new number we have to, if the digits are interchanged, then what the number will be formed, that we will find. If the digits are interchanged, then what happens? This is 100 plus, 10 plus, unit plus. This will get interchanged. This x will come here. This y will go there. And the middle will not change. X plus y plus 1. This way you have to mention it. The new number is 100x plus 10 into x plus y plus 1 and plus y. This is the 100 plus digit multiplied by 100. This is the 10 plus digit multiplied by 10. And this is a unit place multiplied by 1. 1 into y. Directly I will write y. That is equal to, this is 110x plus this is 10y. And this y, directly I will write 11y. And plus this is 10. Now we will see from the second condition. If the digits are reversed, means ulta kiya hai, 8 digits, the new number is 198 more. So this is a big number. Big number means the difference is 198. This is bigger and this, the original number, is smaller by 198. That means their difference is 198. Therefore, from second condition, new number minus old number means original number. Original or old? Original number is equal to 198. So from this, now I am rubbing this. There is no place to write. So from here I will rub from here. Because this I want. This I will make for me unit y, x plus y plus 1, and this is x. This I will mention here so that at the final answer I will need this. Okay. So new number, what is that new number? New number is 110x plus 11y plus 10 minus the original number. Now I have to prepare here 100y plus 10 into x plus y plus 1 plus x, that is equal to 110y plus 11x plus 10. Check it. 110, this is 10x plus this 1, 10 1, that 10. So this is the original number. This I will subtract now, and that difference will be, so 110y plus 11x plus 10, and that is equal to 198. One equation I have got. For solving the simultaneous equations, I need two equations. So this way I got. Therefore, I will open the bracket. 110x plus 11y plus 10 minus 110y minus 11x minus 10 is equal to 198. This minus 10, oh, this minus 10 plus 10 will get cancelled. Therefore, this is 110y, this is 11y. So from this, in the first equation, y we have written first, so we will do that first. So 110 minus 11, so this is 9, 1, 11 minus 2, 9. So this will be minus 99y. Now this and this will be plus 99x. Now nothing is remaining, and that is equal to 198. Therefore, I can divide by 99. Therefore, minus y plus 1x is equal to 99 to the, this is number 2. Now check how we have to solve. So we have to solve these two equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. What I will do, I will decide what I have to cancel. If suppose I have to cancel this x, I will multiply, I will change the sign here. So it will be better. Or if you don't want to change, directly you can see. Here it is 23, here it is 1. So multiply equation 2. Multiply equation 2 by 23. If I multiply this equation 2 by 23, then this will become 23x. This 23x plus this 23x minus will get cancelled. Therefore, this will become minus 23y plus 23x is equal to 46, number 3. Now check this 1 and 2. This is plus, this is minus. So add equation 1 and equation 3. Equation 1 is 76y minus 23x is equal to 7. This is equation number 1. This is minus 23y plus 23x is equal to 46. This is number 3. And we are adding. So this has got cancelled. 3, and this will be 5y is equal to, this is 53. Now what? Here I will solve, and then afterwards I will drop this. Therefore, y is equal to, this is 53. 53y. Not y, only 53. I want y. This will be divided by. So y is equal to 1. 53 upon 53. Now consider one equation which is easy. This is easy second equation. So I will go for equation number 2. Minus y plus x is equal to 2. This is equation number 2. Here I will put the value minus 1 plus x is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to, this minus will go there and it will become 3. Here I have written put y is equal to 1. So x also I got. So what I got? Unit place digit I have what? Tens place digit I have what? Now I want a tens place digit. 100 place digit got. So tens place digit means the middle digit. Middle digit. Middle digit is equal to, what was that? X plus y plus 1. X plus y plus 1. That is equal to, what is the value of x? 3. Plus what is the value of y? 1. Plus this is 1. 5. The number is. Either you write here into 100 for this, 5 into 10 and plus this is, I will write as usual 100x, 100 y, tens place digit, 100 place digit, plus 10 into x plus y plus 1 and plus unit digit is x, that is equal to 100 into value of y is 1 into 1 plus 10, this value is 5 and plus x is 3, this is equal to 100 plus 50 plus 3 and that is 153. This is that original number. So hope that you have understood this very well, and this was a very important sum. It has taken a lot of time. No need to get confused. Revise it and afterwards you can do it.